There we go. 2010 Topps 5-Star Football. 3 box case ready. 12:24 a.m. August 11th. 11 or 10. I think it's 10. Maybe it's 11. On my phone. It's 11 right now. August 11th. 2011. Usually these are sequential, so yeah, 86, 75 not sequential. And 08. Same record number. 08. Oh my god, this is nice over there. I'm going to go box 1. Left. There's a booklet in there. Alright, we got Chris Beanie Wells, 71/79 for the Cardinals. Howie Long, 43/79 for the Raiders. And Ray Rice, 19/79 for the Ravens. Is it our first hit next? It is our first hit next. Very nice. On-card rookie auto, numbered 89/100 of C.J. Spiller for the Bills. That's Kenny. That boy Kenny. Kenny 115's got the Bills. Spiller auto. Nice. Our rookie patch, 2 colors, 35/90. Jonathan Dwyer for the Steelers, 2-color patch auto. Trotty's got Steelers. Yeah, he could use a whole lot more of that wide open space to sign. You're right. And then for the Chargers, numbered 13/35 on-card auto, Vincent Jackson. Jackson, Army man's got the Chargers. Should be a memorabilia or a duel. This is a duel. This is going to go straight to the Lions. It is Lions and Texans. 4/10, Javid Best and Ben Tate dual patch. 3-color, 2-color. Pitt is on point. He's calling all the hits right away. He knows what they are. Congratulations, Pitt. Javid Best and Ben Tate in 4/10. And then we got the book. I think it goes this way. I'm not going to look at what it is. We're just going to open it and see what it is. Here we go. C.J. Spiller, look at that. Have yourself a box, Kenny. Nice. Quad patch autograph, C.J. Spiller. 3-color, 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 and 1-color. I don't see the numbering. It's above his name. Might be numbered to 10. Let's see. That one is cut to 10. 7/10. Very nice. Congratulations, Kenny. Good stuff. And that is box number 1 of the 5-star.